Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice chutney. To start, gathering your ingredients is key for a smooth cooking process. You will need about 2 cups of day-old cooked rice, which is essential for that perfect fried rice texture. Also, prepare your fresh vegetables, like a half cup of carrots and peas, and your chutney components, such as 1 large tomato and 1 small onion. Having everything prepped saves time and makes cooking enjoyable. Now let's create the heart of our dish, the chutney. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and sautéing 1 small chopped onion and 1 clove of minced garlic until they are fragrant and translucent. Next, add 1 large chopped tomato, cooking it down until it becomes soft and pulpy. Stir in about 1 teaspoon of turmeric and a half teaspoon of chili powder. Then simmer this mixture for approximately 10 minutes to deepen those wonderful flavors. With our chutney ready, it is time to prepare the fried rice. Heat a large wok or pan with 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium-high heat. Add your preferred vegetables, like a half cup of carrots and peas, and stir-fry them until they are tender crisp, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Then, introduce your 2 cups of day-old rice, breaking up any clumps. Toss the rice vigorously for 3 to 5 minutes to achieve that delightful slight crispness. Finally, let us bring it all together. Gently fold the prepared chutney into your hot fried rice. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring every single grain of rice is beautifully coated with that rich, flavorful chutney. Once combined, garnish your delicious fried rice chutney with some fresh cilantro or thinly sliced spring onions for an extra burst of freshness. Serve this wonderful dish immediately as a complete and satisfying meal for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.